Good morning, Mr. Calderon. Good morning, classmates. Today I talk about important people in my life, my friends. My friends and I has known since 2008. We decided to spend all the New Year's traveling to another country. On 2017, we traveled to Cusco. It was the last year that my friend Daniel will live in Peru, and we decided to say goodbye to him by traveling together. In this picture, you can see my friend Jose. He is a man with a lead feature and he is wearing a brown cap. My friend Daniel is the boy with an army green cap. He is wearing a red sweater and jeans. Daniel is next my friend Sofia. My friend Sofia is a girl with a long black hair. She is wearing a black coat and jeans. And I am wearing a mustard colored sweater and I with a high bun. Well, in this picture, this is my friend Jose. He has loved to travel and he chose this city. He and Sofia has taught since they know each other in 2003. They have already worked together since 2004. They are teachers at the university. My friend Daniel is a chef. He have already worked in the best restaurants of the city. In this picture, we are walking around the city of Cusco. In this picture, you can see my friend Jose. He has a man with an umbrella. He has not traveled to Cusco again yet. Now he is not in Peru. He has already lived in Boston. He studies his master degree. My other friends, they hasn't lived here in Peru too. In this picture, you can see my friend Andrea. She is a girl wearing a fuchsia t-shirt next to Sofia. She has lived in Cusco for a long time. She helped us in this travel. We visited many ruins together. Some were widely known and others were not so well known. We arrived thanks to help of experienced guides. Besides visiting the ruins, we wanted to get to know the city, which is why the New Year's dinner was very important. Daniel has already reserved tables in a very nice restaurant in the city. Happily, we did that ahead of time because on New Year's Eve everything was so packed. On New Year's, we decided to spend in this plaza and in the square, and we meet a new friend, a Chilean tourist. His name is Christian. He is the boy with the red feature and the cap next to Jose. Christian is between Jose and me. He has visited Cusco for 10 years and Christian has opened restaurants in 2 countries of Latin America. He has one in San Blas. Thank you.